Hello and welcome to this episode of the Sound Workout. Today we're focusing on the th and the sounds. So as you can see from looking at the images, these two sounds are made in the same way. We've got the top teeth in contact with the bottom lip, and the distinction between the two sounds is that with the th sound we release air but there is no vibration in the throat, and with the v sound we want to vibrate the throat. I'm not going to dwell in this video on how to make the two sounds, so if you're not sure, check out the description below and you'll find links to 2 videos which will help you to make these sounds correctly. Once you're feeling confident with how to make these two sounds, then come back to this video and continue. However, if you're already feeling confident about how to make the sounds, then let's get stuck in. So this technique is based on listen and repeat. I will do each exercise and then leave a gap for you to copy, to repeat what you've heard. We'll do each of the exercises 3 times to give you plenty of practice. If you can, get some feedback in the mirror. You could even record yourself on your phone if you want to. So let's get stuck in. V, 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 v. V, 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 v. V, 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 v. Now we're alternating between the two. So remember, no voicing for the F, but voicing for the V. So V, 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 V. And now doubling them up. V, 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 V. Good. And reversing them. V, 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 V. And a longer chain now. We'll try to do it quite quickly. V, V, V. V, V, V. V, V, V. Good. And the final exercise. V, V, V. V, V, V. V, V, V. Great work. So it might seem a bit strange doing these exercises, but it really can help you to gain control over what you're doing with your articulators, with your mouth, your tongue, your lips, what you're doing with your throat, voicing or not voicing. So it's all really, really valuable work that will help you with your pronunciation of English, hopefully. So you could train with these sounds again You could perhaps do it on a regular basis if you find there are particular sounds that are quite difficult for you. You could train with some of the other sounds in this series. I think the best way forward with pronunciation work is little and often, because it can be quite tiring, and it's always good to keep your sense of humour with this approach, because I'm aware that it probably feels a bit strange to be making these sounds this way, but yeah, keep smiling, enjoy the process. So as I said, yeah, practice makes perfect, little and often is best, and it just takes a bit of effort and repetition. If it feels difficult to start with, please don't worry. I'm a firm believer that you can get there with pronunciation practice. It just takes a bit of time. So have faith in yourself, keep a good sense of humour, as I say, and you'll get there. So there is a playlist with other videos practicing different combinations of sounds. So check that out in case there are any combinations that will be useful for you. There are links below to other useful videos, and there will be regular content updated on the channel. So if you want to stay up to date, then feel free to click subscribe. I hope you found that useful, and feel free to rewatch if you think that it will help you with your th and v sounds. As always, have a great day.